Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Syazwana Binti Salahuddin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noralia Akilah Binti Salman.
We will be presenting about our rapid application development. Okay, actually rapid application development is an agile project management strategy popular in software development. It is one of the agile method. The benefit of RAD approach is fast project turnaround, which means it only focuses on minimizing the planning stage and maximizing prototype development. Okay, the RAD only focus on prototype iteration, which it is reduced planning time. So RAD allows project managing and stakeholders accurately measure progress and communicate in real time and evolving issue or changes.
Okay, there is 4 stages in RAD phases and activity. Okay, next I will presenting about RAD phases, which is in requirement planning and also user design. Okay, for the requirement planning, also known as the concept definition stage, this stage defines the business function and the data subject area that the system will support and determine the system scope. So for the requirement planning, there is 4 that used to be the main important to the company, which is the user, the manager, IT staff, and also the developer. So this next is for the user design. User design also known as a functional design stage. Okay, in these stages, users a workshop to model the system data and the process and to build a working prototype of the critical system.
So I will be presenting about the construction phase, which the validation, which we agree that this was a validation part in the RAD model. Okay. So actually, construction is also known as the development stage. This stage completes the construction of the physical application system, builds the conversion system, and develops using its and implementation work plans. So actually, the validation part is, we agree that construction is the validation is in a construction part. So next, move on to the cutover. Cutover also known as the deployment stage, which stage includes final user testing and training, data conversion, and the implementation of the application system.
Next, I will explain about general introduction to verification and validation. Okay, first of all, V&V is a system engineering discipline that applies many technical analysis and testing methods to various development artifacts and processes during all the phases of the software development life cycle. Therefore, requirement planning, user interface, construction, and the cutover, which is development. So I will explain deeply about the verification, which is in the requirement planning stage. Okay, verification is defined as the process of evaluating a system or the component to determine whether the product of the given development phase satisfies the condition imposed at the start of the phase, which is requirement planning. Okay, next is verification is any analysis activity that tries to demonstrate that product of the phase during the development is consistent and complete with respect to the specification before the development phase. So in simpler terms, verification answers the question: have we built the right product? Is it correct, and is it free from error, or does it meet the specification? So to help you remember, verification is it the error free? Does it do what was specified? So
okay, validation is actually when the product meets the user requirement. And next, validation is any analysis activity that tries to demonstrate that product of a development phase in consistent with domain and application requirement. Validation usually asks the question: is this the right product? Is this the right product? Which means that we built the right product. The validation usually ask these questions to the developer. That's why that is one of the main question in validation phase. That's all from me. Thank you.